If the Find My iPhone button is turned on but is grayed out so that you cannot select it, you will need to turn off stolen device protection, which will be covered at the end of this video. Otherwise, continue the steps here. If you could not turn off the green Find My iPhone switch, do the following, but note, these steps will only work with the Face ID of the user. So you will need to wait to do the following steps when the user is present, unless you are the user. Hit the upper left corner back arrow 3 times. 1, 2, 3, until you see the username at the top of settings. Next, scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. Then enter the passcode of the phone. Next, scroll down and tap Stolen Device Protection. Then turn it off. If you are away from the familiar address of the phone, it will make you wait a 1-hour delay before you can turn off Stolen Device Protection, even with the Face ID authentication. At this point, you may turn off Stolen Device Protection, and then you can go back to the Find My iPhone setting and turn it off, then back on again. At this point, you may turn off Stolen Device Protection, and then you can go back to the Find My iPhone setting. Then turn it off. Enter your Apple ID password. Hit turn off in the upper right-hand corner. Then toggle the switch back on, and also toggle back on the Send Last Location button. The final step will remove your phone from repair mode. As you can see, back on the website, iCloud.com, you see remove this device at the bottom, the teal icon disappears. This final step will remove your phone from repair mode. Enjoy your new screen.